All right, welcome back everyone to the deep dive. Based on everything you've shared with us, it's so clear how overwhelming the trading world can be. I mean, charts, indicators, strategies everywhere. It's a lot. And finding insights you can trust quickly feels almost impossible sometimes, right?
It really does. It's like information overload is the default setting.
Exactly. So today we're going to try and cut through some of that noise specifically for you. We're diving deep into, well, something I find pretty fascinating, an AI trading analyzer called Trade.
Mm.
So, expert, what's our mission here? How are we going to tackle this?
Well, our goal today is really to give you a quick, solid understanding of this specific tool. We'll pull out the key pieces from the info you sent, unpack what trade actually is, how it works, and maybe what makes it different.
Okay, perfect. So, let's start at the top. If you
Okay.
had to kind of sum up Trade, the description I saw was AI trading analyzer for multi-strategy chart analysis. Does that nail it? And what's the core promise, really?
Yeah, I think that description captures it pretty well. Basically, trade uses AI, pretty advanced AI,
Yeah.
actually, to look at trading charts. But the key part is how it does it. It uses 10 specific proven trading strategies all at once.
10.
Okay.
Okay.
And the promise isn't just spitting out data. It's about giving you actionable insights, unified recommendations. The whole idea is to help you trade with confidence.
And quickly, right. I saw something about speed.
Oh, absolutely. That's a huge
Yeah.
part of it. The analysis is described as lightning fast. We're talking under 2 minutes,
Wow, under 2 minutes.
which, compared to doing that manually,
Mm-hmm.
it's a different world.
No kidding. That speed plus the AI plus the precision, that sounds like a powerful combo. Why is that under 2 minutes thing such a big deal in trading? What's that tell us about the tech?
Well, think about how fast markets move. Getting reliable analysis quickly can be a massive edge. It means you can react to opportunities faster. And it hints that the AI isn't just running things one after the other, it's likely doing things in parallel, analyzing multiple strategies simultaneously. For you, the trader, it means getting sophisticated insights almost instantly.
Right, it sort of democratizes that high-level analysis.
Exactly. It shifts your focus from like hours of chart crunching to actually making the trading decision, managing risk.
Okay, so let's get into the nuts and bolts. How does this AI actually do that? The material breaks it down, starting with something called single strategy analysis. What's that?
So the single strategy mode is the more basic function. You essentially take a screenshot of whatever trading chart you're looking at.
Okay, like from TradingView or something.
Yeah, exactly. TradingView, Binance, whatever platform you use. You feed that screenshot to Trade.
And what does it give you back?
It gives you very specific outputs. It'll identify the coin or asset,
Mm-hmm.
tell you whether it suggests going long, buying or short selling. And crucially, it gives you an exact entry price, a stop loss level to protect you if the trade goes wrong, and a take profit target.
So a full trade setup.
Precisely. And it doesn't stop there. It also gives you a confidence level, like a
Mhm.
1 to 5 star rating, and importantly, a detailed explanation from the AI about why it's making that recommendation.
Ah, that why is key, isn't it, for learning and trust?
Absolutely. Transparency is vital.
But then there's the multi-strategy analysis. The notes say this is where the true power lies. How does that work? Sounds more complex.
It is more advanced and, yeah, arguably more powerful. Instead of just one method, Trade analyzes the chart using several of the strategies you select from that list of 10.
Okay.
And here's the clever part. It doesn't just give you like 5 different conflicting signals.
Yeah.
The AI consolidates all results into one unified signal.
Unified. How? What if strategies disagree?
That's where the weighs conflicting signals intelligently part comes in. The AI is designed to assess the strength and convergence of the different strategy outputs. If most point one way, it leans that way. If there's strong conflict, the confidence might be lower.
I see. So you get one clear recommendation.
Exactly. One unified entry, stop loss, and take profit target. The idea, according to the documentation, is that this leads to higher accuracy and reliability because it's based on a consensus view from multiple proven methods.
Higher accuracy.
Yep.
That's the goal. And it's using those 10 proven trading strategies. You mentioned that list. Can we touch on what those are? Because it's not just basic stuff, right?
No, definitely not. It's quite a sophisticated list. You've got things like the Wyckoff method.
Okay, heard of that one.
Okay.
Market cycles.
Right. Then there's Elliott wave theory.
Ah, the psychological pattern.
Exactly. Also, fair value gaps, order blocks, supply and demand
Well,
zones.
technical price action stuff.
And then support and resistance levels, Fibonacci retracements, Bollinger Bands, RSI divergence, and even volume profile analysis.
Wow, that's a broad toolkit. What's the real benefit of having all of those integrated?
It gives you a much more holistic view of the market context. You're getting insights from market structure, momentum, price action imbalances, volume, areas that often require, frankly, years of dedicated study for each one.
Right.
Trade basically bundles that expertise and applies it consistently and quickly. It
Yeah.
means you might spot opportunities or risks that you'd miss if you only focused on one or two methods.
That really could level the playing field, like
Oh,
you
yeah.
said. Okay, so if someone listening is thinking, all right, I'm intrigued, how easy is it to actually try this out? The notes mentioned a simple process.
Yeah, they've made it sound pretty user-friendly. It's basically 4 steps.
Okay, step one.
First, install extension. It's a Chrome browser extension, and it's free to add.
Simple enough. Step two.
Get your keys. You'll need a license key and probably an API key after you sign up or start a trial.
Right, standard stuff. Third
Configure. Just pop those keys into the extension settings.
and fourth.
Start trading, or rather start analyzing. You can apparently just go to your charting platform, take a screenshot, and let trade do its thing instantly.
And what does that look like in practice? Take the screenshot and then,
And then within that under 2 minutes time frame, the extension should pop up with the analysis. It shows the recommendation, long or short the entry, stop loss, take profit points, that confidence rating, and the AI explanation.
all right, they're integrated with your workflow.
That seems to be the idea. Fast, accessible analysis right where you need it.
Okay. Now, you mentioned trying it out. People always want to, kick the tires first. Is there a trial?
Yes, absolutely. The material highlights this clearly. It's free for 24 hours.
24 hours. Nice.
Yeah, and it emphasizes no commitment, and you get full access to all the features during that trial. So you can really test out both single and multi-strategy analysis.
That's a great way to see if it fits your style.
Yeah.
And if you decide you like it after the trial, what's the cost? How's the pricing structured?
It looks pretty straightforward. Simple, transparent pricing is how they describe it. There are 3 main options.
Okay.
There's a monthly plan at $9.99 per month. Probably good if you're actively trading and want flexibility.
Makes sense.
Then there's a yearly plan, that's $99 for the year, which works out to a 17% saving compared to monthly. Plus, it mentions getting priority support with this one.
Okay, better value if you're committed. Is there anything else?
Yes, there's a lifetime deal. It's a one-time payment of $499.
Wow, lifetime.
Yeah, they position it as the best value long-term. Includes all future updates, premium support, and access to any new features they might add down the line.
And importantly, do all these plans get you the same features? Or are some things locked behind higher tiers?
Good question. According to the documentation, no. All plans include every feature.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so regardless of whether you pay monthly, yearly, or get the lifetime deal, you get access to everything. All 10 strategies, both analysis modes, unlimited screenshots, the AI recommendations, the entry stop profit details, confidence ratings, explanations, the Chrome extension, everything.
Okay, that's really good to know. No feature gating.
It's used that way.
So, wrapping this up then, we've gone through what trade is, how it works, the strategies, the pricing. What does this all mean? If you're listening, what's the bigger takeaway here?
Well, connecting it to the bigger picture, tools like Trade, I think, represent a pretty significant potential shift for individual traders.
Yeah.
Having AI that can quickly synthesize insights from multiple complex strategies that really could democratize access to a level of analysis that used to be reserved for, pros or people with a lot of time and resources.
Right. It handles the heavy lifting on combining things like Elliott wave and order blocks, which is complex.
Exactly. It potentially frees you up to focus more on risk management, position sizing, and just understanding the context of the AI's recommendation, rather than spending all your time doing the raw analysis yourself.
So it's a tool to augment your process, not replace your judgment entirely.
That's how I see it.
Yeah.
Which leads to maybe a final thought for you to chew on.
Okay.
As AI gets better and better in complex fields like this, how does it change what we even mean by expertise or trading intuition? If an AI can synthesize 10 expert strategies faster than any human, what does that mean for our own decision-making?
That's a deep question.
And maybe what new responsibility does it put on you, the user, to still think critically, to evaluate even what the AI tells you and make sure you're always the one ultimately driving your trading decisions?
Yeah. Trusting the tech, but verifying, and still owning the outcome. That's something definitely worth pondering. Food for thought.